Are you struggling to communicate efficiently and effectively with team members and stakeholders? Is navigating the business environment proving to be a challenge? Now you can accelerate your business communication skills with iLearn. Welcome to our Business Communication Short Course. During this Certified Business Professional program, we'll teach real-world communication skills to help them navigate the business environment better and make clearer choices in their day-to-day communication. We recommend this course for learners who want to improve their real-world communication skills. It's designed for learners who have little to no experience in proper business communication. At the end of this course, your learners will have a thorough understanding of business communication, have a developed business writing style, understand the different types of business writing, be able to write for special events, have developed oral communication and effective presentation skills, and be able to deal with various business communication challenges. Training times are normally arranged in more manageable sessions of 6 hours over 2 days and can be delivered virtually or at your workplace. By choosing this short course, you're offering your staff the opportunity to learn when and where they want at a pace that suits them. It will also give your learners the opportunity to consume content in short bursts and will enable them to apply their knowledge in the workplace immediately, instantly boosting their productivity.